Ni gutha inene muno kuri the entertainment industry goko bururi-ini na makiria to the entire family of comedian very famous Eric Omondi, who have lost his brother Kiroko kia umuthi. Ndeto cia passing of Eric Omondi's brother shatiga ado in surprise kuona no one knew that he was ailing kana he was having a hard time niguo maundu makoro makikinyita haha na andu ni mathie na mbere kwiyuria ni kiria kiahanikira Fred Omondi who is normal na kuringana na andu hakuhi na family yake kuratwika he has passed in hospital kuria Mama Lucy Hospital. Ndeto itarejekere mukode ni ati akorirwo agicamania na mutino muru wa farafara and he succumbed ni undu wa injuries kumana na mutino ucio kuona akorirwo akihanyukio kuria Mama Lucy. No sadly agikorwo agite moyo wake. Kenyans have taken to social media to share their disbelief thutha wa kwamukira ndeto cia kumakania in a lot of pain and sadness kuona it is a very difficult piece of news. Kenyans marikitie gukorwo makikinyeria ndumiriri cia pole kuri entertainment industry na makiria kuri comedian uyu gwitwo Eric Omondi ndu wa gukorwo lose his brother. Friend Omondi became very popular guku bururi-ini when he joined his brother Eric Omondi on Churchill show na akoretwo akiri a very successful comedian in the country. Time to time ni turamonaga mari na his brother Eric Omondi magika skits iria iragetigaga andu macanjamukite muno and he has been a very popular comedian. Arohuruka uhoro na tugatuma pole shito kuri the entire family of Omondi, Eric Omondi to be specific, for losing his brother.